So, Dr. Chris, I heard that starfish are dying from sea star wasting disease. What causes this disease? I thought you might know since you're a famous marine biologist.
We really don't know the cause of the disease.
Scientists have no idea at all.
One possible cause is high sea temperatures, oxygen deprivation, and low salinity from runoff. Global warming may be impacting the sea stars in a bad way.
So, global warming is killing them?
Yes, but we also think it might be a viral or fungal pathogen but the exact cause has not been found.
What is that? The sea star wasting syndrome.
It's a type of syndrome that kills sea stars, and it could possibly make some species of sea star extinct.
What are some signs and symptoms of this disease?
White lesions start to appear on the starfish, and then the tissue around the lesion decays very quickly. Then their arms disintegrate into blobs of goo, and this is what they look like after the lesions.
So, they would just melt away?
Sadly, it happens very quickly.
Where did the disease start?
The disease started from the shores of Alaska and moved down to the bottom of the west coast of California. And this is what the map looks like.
Why is the disease mostly on the west coast?
The water on the west coast is becoming warmer where the sea stars are dying. Also, the parasite that eats starfish eggs does very well in the high temperatures.
Do you know how many species of sea stars are affected by this disease?
About 12 types of sea stars are affected by this wasting disease.
So, which starfish species are infected the most?
The highest mortality rates are among the morning star, giant pink, purple sunflower, and mottled stars. And this is a picture of them. The leather sun, rainbow blood, and six-armed stars are also affected by this terrible disease.
Do you have any graphs you can show me about what was going on with this disease over the years?
Yes, I have 6 graphs of studied done all over the coast of Washington in 5 different basins. Many sea stars are dying between 2006 and 2014, but the numbers went down a lot from 2014 to 2016.
Can this virus affect other species?
Yes, it has affected other species such as sea urchin, sea brittles, and sea cucumbers, kelp, and sea otters. I made this graph to show the number of sea urchin, kelp, and sea otters the sea stars affects over 3 generations.
I know you said that most cases of this disease is found in the west coast of the U.S. and Alaska. Is it found anywhere else?
Yes, it has also been found in the east coast of the U.S., the Channel Islands, Mexico, and British Columbia. Any questions, Julian?
No, Dr. Chris. Thank you so much for your time. I learned so much about starfish wasting disease.
If you like this movie and you would like to help scientists figure out what is causing the sea star wasting disease, one solution would be to help collect data. Send in tracking logs after spending time diving diving in tide pools about the sea stars you see. The University of Santa Cruz and University of Oregon have forms you can fill out online, and you can let them know when you see sick, healthy, or no sea stars in the area you are diving. This helps marine biologists get more information and update their maps. You can also help reduce global warming in many ways, including using LED light bulbs in your home, installing solar panels on your home, driving in electric cars, recycling, reusing, plant, planting trees, walking more, and eating less meat. Doing all of these things helps reduce the amount of carbon dioxide released into the air. You can make an impact on global climate change by reducing your carbon footprint. Since scientists believe global warming negatively affects sea stars, you can help the world and sea stars all at once.